Hi there, artisans! Welcome to our Top 6 Perfume Project. This is Rochelle Rosenberg. So for the past 2 months, we have been creating perfume projects in watercolor. We've learned what's inside of them and how they are created, and also how they are designed with gold and crystals. All flowers gathered from different countries and made into one of the most expensive perfumes in the world. So let's discover my top 6 perfume projects made in watercolor painting. Learn how I painted this perfume project by my own techniques, and you also can do your own projects.
shadows all the night, and until then you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, plan for intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you send it a mission. Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision.